life also can dribble you to a point where all you're getting is lessons. Lessons, nuggets, wisdom. In.
Hey,
Suddenly,
life is just yeah, when a life is just teaching you right now.
Suddenly,
you're going through the fires, bro.
Upenwell, whom you don't like and have always tweeted shit about, suddenly Upenwell is your go-to. Lama short clips now. He's feeding you information. Suddenly I'm tired. Why? Because now you can relate. He's talking about something that dribbled you. He's talking about baby mama denying you access.
Yes, come on.
Yeah. 7 baby mamas. Wara. Send. No. Send. Twitter went from 150 characters to how many? 250. Manje you some tuga more. Double barrel. Now you're going to
life. Life on the other side.
But showing deny access. Suddenly, that very post you commented on, Umtshela Masimba is talking to you. So never judge, Baba. I always tell people when you're going through it, you have options. Okay, how do I get out of the situation? And on that list of options, somewhere there's suicide. And it's only when you're faced with those options and you see it, do you stop judging anyone that's taken their life? You stop judging automatically because when you pick a list, nice suicide. Depends where it ranks. Sometimes it doesn't even have to rank high.
Sometimes
you go to it. Yeah, we land the log number 86. You understand? But the minute you see, solutions. Solutions. It's your go-to book for solution. Songest now in life. And once you look at it, you see suicide on there. You stop judging anyone that's attempted or even successfully taken their life.
So at that chapter of your life, you are going through your own personal challenges. So even if your father was ready, you don't think you were ready for certain conversations?
No, I was never ready before 2015. No only Pell, I remember I was taking it to the grave because I didn't want to hurt her feelings. I could not stand to see my mom cry because of what I've just said. Little did I know she can't cry.
Yes.
Only Lamalkali. She'll internalize pain and then gule. Alale esibhedlela 2-3 days. Aphuza amapilisi abe right. When she lost her brother, she didn't cry. When my dad passed, she didn't cry. Only Lam doesn't cry. I don't know what my mother looks like crying.
Do you think it's from her own life experience growing up?
She had it hard as well.
So much pain.
Yeah, she had it hard. She had